What if eating only once a day after 40 could finally melt that stubborn belly fat that's mocked you in the mirror for years? What if that same simple rhythm could reignite your testosterone, rebuild your metabolism, and give you the energy you thought was gone forever? You've tried the diets, you've tried jogging, you've done the protein shakes and green powders, but your belly doesn't care. It just stays there, proof of slowing hormones and a body that's forgotten how to burn. The truth is, men over 40 aren't broken. You're just mistimed. When you switch to the 1 meal a day fasting method, 1 meal a day, your body stops storing and starts releasing. Your hormones begin to reset. Your cells wake up. Your metabolism ignites. And suddenly you're not fighting your age anymore. You're working with your biology. This isn't starvation. It's precision. It's how you take back control, 1 meal at a time. Have you ever tried OMAD fasting or any kind of intermittent fasting after 40? Drop a quick comment below. Say belly fat gone if you're ready to reclaim your waistline, your strength, and your energy. Your story could inspire another man to take the first step. And if you want more strategies backed by Dr. Catherine Rotker's decades of research on male energy, hormones, and vitality, hit subscribe right now. You're not just watching a video, you're joining a movement. Mark was 62, a retired firefighter, strong hands, proud posture, but every morning the same quiet frustration. He could still split logs, but he couldn't zip his jeans. He jogged, he lifted, he ate clean. Yet his belly only grew tighter, harder, like it didn't belong to him anymore. When he came to my clinic, I saw it immediately. I'm Dr. Catherine Rotker, a men's health specialist with over 30 years of experience, and I've seen this story play out thousands of times. The culprit wasn't laziness, it was insulin resistance. Men are told to eat 6 small meals a day to boost metabolism. But for men over 40, that's a trap. Each snack spikes insulin, keeping your body in permanent storage mode, locking fat around your waist and silently draining testosterone. When Mark switched to OMAD, 1 meal a day, his body finally got the break it needed. In 3 weeks, his belly softened, his morning energy surged, and his drive came roaring back. As I told him, OMAD isn't a diet. It's a biological reset button for aging men, proven by NIH's 2021 Metabolic Fasting Review. The real enemy isn't age, it's chronically elevated insulin, the silent signal that keeps your body stuck in fat storage mode. After 40, your cells grow numb to insulin. What once powered your energy now traps it. This condition, known as insulin resistance, is behind the fatigue, the stubborn belly fat, and the drop in testosterone you feel but can't explain. After 40, your cells grow numb to insulin. What once powered your energy now traps it. This condition, known as insulin resistance, is behind the fatigue, the stubborn belly fat, and the drop in testosterone you feel but can't explain. Harvard Medical School reports that nearly 80% of men over 50 show signs of metabolic syndrome, driven by insulin that never truly shuts off. When insulin stays high, your body loses the ability to access stored fat. You eat, but you're still hungry. You rest, but you wake up tired. Worse, elevated insulin suppresses human growth hormone, the chemical that keeps muscle firm, burns fat, and fuels masculine drive. That's why diets fail. You're not overeating, you're over-signaling insulin. OMAD fasting after 40 changes that equation. By fasting for 20 hours or more, you finally flip insulin's switch off, giving your body time to repair, detoxify, and burn through stored fat naturally. It's not starvation, it's restoration. Here's the simple science-backed fix: 1 meal a day, or OMAD. You eat all your calories within a single 1-hour window, ideally after 4 p.m., and you fast the rest of the day. During those fasting hours, you can drink black coffee, green tea, or just water to stay sharp and hydrated. Your first week is about adjustment, not perfection. Focus on hydration and electrolytes. A pinch of sea salt in your water can prevent fatigue and headaches as your body resets. When you do eat, make that 1 meal count. Fill your plate with protein-rich foods like chicken, salmon, or eggs. Add healthy fats from olive oil, avocado, and a handful of nuts. And never skip the cruciferous vegetables, broccoli, kale, Brussels sprouts. They detoxify your liver and support testosterone production naturally. Skip the sugar. Skip the bread. Every time you avoid refined carbs, your body thanks you by lowering insulin and unlocking stored fat. A 2020 study in the Journal of Nutrition found OMAD fasting reduced body fat by 8% and improved insulin sensitivity in just 4 weeks. Done right, OMAD fasting after 40 rebuilds your metabolism, balances your hormones, and reignites the man you thought you'd lost. Here's what men like you begin to notice when they commit to 1 meal a day, fasting after 40. By day 3, the constant hunger starts to fade. Your mind sharpens. You wake up lighter, clearer, calmer, as if your brain has finally stopped running on fumes. By day 7, something deeper shifts. Your energy rises with the sunrise. You fall asleep faster, stay asleep longer, and wake up rested instead of drained. By day 14, the changes stare back at you in the mirror. The belly that refused to move begins to flatten. Your face looks tighter. Your testosterone starts to climb. You feel it in your drive, your mood, your mornings. By day 30, your belt fits again. Your shirt buttons without a fight. And more importantly, you feel like yourself again. A 2022 NIH-backed study found that men over 50 who fasted 20 hours daily increased growth hormone by 25% and dropped visceral fat by 30%. That's not luck, that's biology. Each day you stay consistent with OMAD fasting after 40, your body moves from sugar burning to fat burning, from decline to renewal, awakening the man you were always meant to be. Most men fail at OMAD fasting after 40 not because it doesn't work, but because they sabotage it without realizing. The first mistake? Binging on junk during that one meal. You can't reset insulin if your plate is loaded with bread, beer, and sugar. The goal isn't starvation, it's nutrient density. Every bite should serve your recovery, your hormones, your life. The second mistake is breaking the fast with carbs instead of protein. A Harvard study found that starting a meal with lean protein lowers post-meal insulin spikes by up to 30%. Start with boiled eggs, chicken, or fish, then add olive oil and vegetables for satiety and balance. And the final mistake, quitting too soon. Your body needs time to adapt. According to Harvard Health, metabolic flexibility takes about 21 days to stabilize. That's just 3 weeks to retrain your system. Stay the course. Every day you stay consistent with OMAD fasting after 40, your energy rises, your testosterone strengthens, and your body starts trusting you again. You don't need pills, powders, or punishment to reclaim your body. You just need discipline and the right rhythm with OMAD, fasting after 40. Your metabolism isn't broken, it's just waiting for you to set it free. So like, share, and subscribe if you're ready to join thousands of men burning belly fat naturally and rebuilding their confidence from the inside out. You're not too old to change. You're just one meal away from becoming a new man.